5 diabetes trap menu items, not sweet, but with a blood sugar spike. A silent threat that health-conscious people often misunderstand. Taking care of your health through dietary choices is good, but sometimes the healthy foods we're familiar with can become a trap that harms the body unknowingly, especially for people with diabetes or those who need to control their blood sugar levels. Recently, interesting case studies from several countries have shown that some foods, even those not overly sweet, can cause blood sugar levels to spike to a critical level. 1. Vegetarianism focused on starch and fat information from the treating medical team indicates that the main cause stems from unhealthy eating habits, as follows. Focus on eating yams and sweet potatoes as staple foods, which are high sources of carbohydrates. People often choose vegetarian dishes that imitate meat, which frequently use a lot of flour and oil in their preparation. Neglecting regular blood sugar monitoring, because of the complacency that a vegetarian diet is sufficient to control diabetes. 2. Pumpkin soup, the nutritional king that must be eaten correctly. Pumpkin is high in beta-carotene and vitamins, but it should be considered a starch rather than a vegetable. If you eat pumpkin, you should reduce the amount of rice or noodles in that meal to maintain balance. 3. Red meat, a silent threat that doesn't come in the form of sugar. Processed red meat, bacon, sausage. Eating one serving a day increases the risk of diabetes by 46%. Unprocessed red meat, beef, pork. Eating it once a day increases the risk by 24%. Disease mechanism, high saturated fat and branched-chain amino acids. 4. Corn, a popular grain but not a good substitute for rice. Precautions to take when eating corn. It is high in carbohydrates and should not be consumed as the sole source of food. Phytic acid is present, which may hinder the absorption of minerals such as iron and zinc. Diabetic patients should limit their intake and consume it with lean protein and leafy green vegetables. 5. Smoothies and blended fruit juices, the free sugar trap. Smoothies cause blood sugar levels to spike faster than eating whole fresh fruit because the fiber is destroyed and the sugar concentration is high. The recommended amount is no more than 150 ml per day. Blending multiple types of ingredients together may cause us to unknowingly consume more sugar than our bodies need. In summary, choosing a healthy diet requires a correct understanding of nutrient types. Limiting portion sizes and regular health checkups are key to avoiding diabetes.